Hi guys, today we'll be learning about adding rational numbers and even rational numbers by themselves. So a rational number is any number that stops, like 0.5, 1/2, 3/4, 2/5, or 0.23. It's not a number like this, 0.340312412, etc., so on, because that number doesn't stop. It goes on forever, and it's called an irrational number, one that does not stop after a while. We'll learn about those later, but for now, all you need to know is that 0.5, 1/2, 3/4, 2/5, 0.23, if you convert the fraction to decimals, you'll see that they stop at a certain point. So now let's talk about adding these rational numbers. So 1/2 plus 0.75. Generally, I would like you to convert the fractions to a decimal to make it easier to add. So 1/2, right? And if you remember, to convert a fraction to a decimal, you need to get it to either something over 10 or something over 100. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Now 1 times 5 is 5. Because remember, you want to convert it to 10, right? So you have to multiply 1/2, the whole thing, by 5. So now it's in the tens place. So 5 over 10. How are you going to convert that to a decimal? Well, 5 is in the tens place, or it's over 10. So you're going to put 0.5 and put that 5 on the tens place. Now you're going to multiply, or add it by 0.75. So 0.5 plus 0.75. Make sure the tens place line up, and the hundreds place line up too. 0.5 is the same as 0.50. You can add the 0. You cannot. It depends on if you would like to see that 0 there, placeholder. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So you're going to put, and there's a decimal here. You're going to carry over the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1/2 plus 0.75 is 1.25. Let's look at the one down here. 1/5 plus 0.234. So 1/5, you want to get it to 10 or 100. 10 is closer, so we'll work with 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 over 10. 0.2 plus 0.234. So 4 there, put the 3 there, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 0.434. 1/5 plus 0.234 is 0.434. Now let's look at this one. 8/10 plus 2/10. Well, first of all, you see, this is a common denominator, so you don't have to change anything. And they're both in fraction form, so you have a double whammy. You don't have to do anything. 10, 8 plus 10, 2 is 10. Keep the denominator, 10 over 10. And then what? 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 8/10 plus 2/10 is 1. Now 2/4 plus 0.30. 2/4. And now 4 can go into 10 now. So, oh wait, my bad. 2/4, you want to reduce that first to 1/2. Now 1/2, to change that into decimal form, put it over the 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. And now, since it's over 10, you put it in the 10th spot. 0.5 plus 0.30 is 0.8. 2/4 plus 0.30 is would be, so 2/4 plus 0.30 is, sorry, this is really messy. Let me do this again. 0.5 plus 0.30 will be 0.8. Thank you.